Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick review swatch and tutorial on the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the particular shade Illuminati. And this shade in particular is described as an iridescent silver and champagne shade. It comes in this packaging. It retails for $27 for 0.16 ounces of products. You get the shaker on one side and you can close it with that cap. And here is the shade again. In my opinion, out of the 6 shades to choose from, this one is the most universal. We're going to go ahead and move on to the tutorial, but I do want to say that it is described as a shimmering loose powder highlighter with highly reflective iridescent pearls. And in my opinion, it is a kind of it is a highlighter that is shimmery, but it's not too intense, and it's just like a glow from within, almost glass-like because of the pearls. It is formulated without paraben sulfates and phthalates, and it is cruelty-free. So that's great, and you can purchase it on their website, artistcouture.com, or Sephora, where they're known for their products as well. And here it is on my high points of my cheeks. That's where I like to place my highlighter. I like to also blend it onto my nose and bridge area, the inner corner of my eyes, the bridge, the brow bone actually, and the other part of my cheekbone as well. And I like to use a brush, and if it's on the nose, I like to use my fingertips to blend it in as well. But it is so beautiful. Again, Artist Couture has impressed me, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other playlists and other videos on Artist Couture, and I will see you guys all next time in the next one. Bye guys!